Hi everyone, my name is Christina and I'm an implementation consultant at Prosymmetry. In this video, I will be reviewing how to take snapshots and create snapshot types in Tempus Resource. Snapshots allow users to capture project information at a point in time. In Tempus, you can capture project attributes, allocations, milestones, etc., take individual snapshots or in bulk across multiple projects, report on snapshots within pivot grids and Insight Plus, revert projects to a snapshot point in time, and create snapshot types to categorize them. So let's take a look at how this works in Tempus. Again, taking a snapshot of a project allows you to capture information about it at a specific point in time. You may want to do this for points of comparison or as part of an auditing process. To take a snapshot, there are a few ways, and they will be in the project management tile. The first way is you can click into a project and navigate to its snapshots area by clicking on this drop-down menu. Here we can see any snapshots that have been taken previously, and to take a new one, we can click Create Snapshot. Here we can optionally give it a type, which we will discuss in just a moment for how to create those. We will give it a name, so I will call this Snapshot 2, and optionally give it a description, and we'll click Create. To open the snapshot, we can click on the three dots next to its name and click Open. Once it's been created and we're in the snapshot, we can see this green bar appears at the top, letting us know that we are viewing this project in its snapshot state. And we can navigate to all the different areas of the project and see what was captured at that point in time. If we need to or would like to restore the project to this point in time when the snapshot was taken, we can do that by clicking Restore Snapshot and defining, do we want to restore the entire project back to this point in time? Or we can click Advanced Options and define if we want to only restore certain aspects of the project, like its attributes or planned allocations, back to this point in time. Once we're done, we can click Quit Snapshot View and are taken back to that snapshots area by clicking here. Again, this is where all of your snapshots will live with their respective details, and they can be deleted as well by clicking the three dots next to any snapshot name and click Delete. The next place we can take snapshots is by navigating to the project's attributes page, and there is a snapshot button at the top to open up a very similar window where we can give it a type, a name, a description, and click Create Snapshot here. The third and final place we can take project snapshots is by navigating back to the project management grid and clicking on the three dots next to a project name and clicking on the snapshot option to open up that exact same window we just saw. Additionally, we can select multiple projects at once and click the three dots next to any of their names and access the snapshot window as well to take snapshots of every single project we've selected at one time. This is handy if maybe it's part of your internal process to take a snapshot of your entire portfolio once a quarter for points of comparison later. Now let's revisit the topic of snapshot types. So if you would like to create categories for your snapshots, like the one we saw called Initial Review, so that you can organize them, you can do this by clicking on Admin Settings and then the Snapshot Types tile. Here we can see our one snapshot type of Initial Review, and we can also create new ones here. So I may want to create a category called Finance Lock, so that anytime I take a snapshot that's meant to capture project financials, I can categorize it into this snapshot type. Snapshots and their associated data can also be pulled into pivot grid reports within Report Management and/or Insight Plus to give you the ability to compare projects at different points in time. If you'd like assistance building a report, please reach out to your customer experience representative. This wraps up how to take snapshots and create snapshot types in Tempus Resource. I would highly encourage you to take a look at the Help Center section on this topic as well for an additional resource. Thanks and have a great day.